Everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm doing a 10-inch light ring from AI Epics. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, let's get started with another video. Okay, so this is a test of the new light. We're gonna see if the new light shows up any better on film for products, because obviously I was getting lots of shadows before, so I'm still gonna get some shadowing, because if I do that, I'm trying to get as much light as I can on the subject, but I'm hoping that this is going to look a little bit better on screen as opposed to what I was getting before. Here's my, let's see if I can make this down more. Okay. Here's my new headset. I got the Elite strap with the battery, and it has been pretty awesome. I'm really getting used to it now. When I first put it on, I was thinking that because I had the original Elite strap, that it was a lot better. But after using it for about a week, I'm really used to the new strap, and I really like the fact that it gives you double the power. I don't run out of battery when I play, and I don't get those warning signs like I used to every time I use the other one. Here is the... Okay, so there's the setup of the new camera light ring. I like it. It seems to work. Is it hyper powerful? Hell no. But you don't really need hyper powerful. Something that I noticed as I was unpacking it and turning it on, it does have the diffused light, which is one of the reasons I went with it. It is 10 inches, which is good. And on the controller here, you can toggle between if you want to have just the really bright light, if you want to have more of a natural tone, or if you want to mix the two. Minus sign, so that turns it down. So I guess by default it comes full blast. Let's see here. Yeah, basically that was full blast. And then of course you have the on and the off. But that's pretty much it. Simple, basic, easy. Not too high quality. I was able to get this to tighten up. It was giving me a little bit of an issue, but now, and this isn't the mount that came with it. That's way flimsy and really cheap. So I didn't like that. But it uses the standard camera mounts, so you can use whatever you got. It also came with this little cheapy thing here, but the one I got is adjustable and not spring loaded. So the one I got is adjustable and not spring loaded. The one that it came with is just this little spring loaded doohickey, which is fine for cell phones, but not good for GoPros. See, there we go. Boom. Nice light. Full blast. On hit. There you go. So I'll leave links in the description for this ring here. I think it works pretty good. The accessories that it had with it are kind of garbage, so you can use your own and it will all fit. But it seems like a pretty decent setup, and if you're doing vlogging or whatever, it would work just as good. I think that I'm doing it mostly for product to get a little bit better light on any products that I review. So that's my video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get the tech out of here. Later.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world.